All right, good afternoon, everybody. This is John.
And Hubert.
And it is, what time is it? It's a little after 5 o'clock Central Time. So that would be 6 o'clock New York time. We got to get our time zones correct.
Correct.
And this is for the free video tonight. And we're just going to take a look at the S&Ps. Today was a pretty quiet, it was actually it was a pretty solid trading day, even though it was choppy. Yep. I mean, there were other markets that had much better setups like gold. Mm-hmm. But today in the S&Ps, you can see right now we're just banging across the top of the band, and just the support levels continue to hold right around 1240, 1245. And after hours today, we're actually already pushing higher again. We've got futures rollover on Thursday, I think.
Yeah, this Thursday, yeah.
And so it could get a little kind of a choppy here. But think about this. If a lot of people were short the March contract in positions and they want to roll it over, they're going to have to cover. So I think that could actually push it up too. So I'm still thinking we get higher prices.
We'll probably still get higher prices, but we did show a little bit of weakness yesterday and today on the intraday charts. Even though they were up days, there were some pretty good sell-offs.
Yeah, we can take a look at those real quick. All right, so most of the action today was kind of choppy. You actually had a nice movement in the close. So this is, let's see, 1597 tick chart on the S&Ps. So you had a squeeze setting up here, fired off long, and at the same time you can see the ticks, and we started getting plus 1,000 ticks, plus 1,000 ticks, plus 1,000 ticks. You had a nice kind of a push higher, and then here you got I know you got a couple of delta divergent sell signals here, and then we started kind of initiating some shorts, and we're doing this at the mentorship here. Actually, we did this two ways. Hubert caught this right here to the long side, and then I started shorting right here on that first or the second 1,000 tick reading. I took some heat and then covered, and then here ended up catching the short into the close because you got a combination of the short squeeze and then the ticks just started going wham.
So overall, the indexes had a pretty good day. You had a gap up situation. It filled the gap. It ran up hard, and then it sold off into the end of the day. So our recommendation of what we're doing is we're trying to get the pops intraday to the high side is mainly the way we're playing most of them, unless we're getting plus 1,000 tick readings, and that's how we're playing it going into rollover.
Yep. And, okay.
Okay, so for tomorrow's live trading webinar that we have over the next 2 days, so today is, what is today?
Today's Tuesday, so it starts tomorrow, actually.
It starts tomorrow, which is Wednesday.
This is the event with Rob Hoffman.
We have a live trading webinar with Rob Hoffman tomorrow that starts at what time?
Let me click on this and see.
Registration form states it's Wednesday, December the 7th at 9 a.m. East Coast time and goes till noon East Coast time.
So 8 a.m. Central. And I'm kind of thinking, I'm actually liking, because the last time that Rob did one of these events, the markets were actually pretty quiet. And I think he was able to do like maybe one trade in the Russell and like one trade in the Euro, and that was about it. I think I may have that mixed up, but I just remember the market was slow. This time the market, today gold was moving. The S&Ps and the Russell were kind of quiet today, but there were some tradable moves. So I think there may be a lot of action this time.
Yeah, there's definitely enough action to take advantage of it. So it's a free trading webinar. Starts tomorrow. There's only 1,000 seats available. They will be taken. They almost always are when we do these free live trading events. Make sure you register and log in early so that you can save yourself a seat. Put in your first name and your last name and then your email address, and then we'll send you all the details. Good luck. Hope it helps. See you tomorrow.
Yep, see you tomorrow.